What's up guys, driver of the Worthouse Drift Team Falcon Tires S15 and Formula Drift. One of my favourite mods to a Nissan S chassis is definitely Wisefab. You just get to throw them huge angles, set up really nicely, very predictable and so much fun to drive. For me personally, it's one of my favourite things to do, so it's good. You guys check it out.
We're in the 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback here in Drift. Pretty exciting, rear-wheel drive converted, makes 1,000 horsepower, but not every part on the car is custom. We actually have a Toyota accessory here, the spoiler. The spoiler adds some style and maybe a little extra downforce that your stock car doesn't have. You could actually get one of these for your 2019 Corolla hatchback.
I drive the Oracle Lighting Dodge Viper. A package that we do offer off the shelf is we offer a Gen 3 Viper motor that anybody could put into their Viper as long as they have around 45 grand to put it in, not including the turbos. So if someone has that kind of spare change kicking around, maybe give us a call or hit us up on Instagram, we'll get you hooked up with it.
I'm the driver of the Ferrari in Pro Class in FD. So what can you put to your stock Ferrari as soon as you get out of the dealer, or to any kind of car as soon as you get out of the dealer that I have? You want to know? Just put the injectors with the NOS and she becomes happy. She just will thank you for all her life. You just shove in some nozzles, you know, 100, 150, 200 horsepower, she's awake like that.
I drive the Corvette C7 Formula Drift. This is a mid-size stock car, something that you just can go buy in the store and put in your car. That is the seats from Sparkle. You mount in the stock position and you will be safer and more secure to drive in the streets too.
This 1,000 horsepower 2011 Mazda RX-8, and the first mod I throw on my street car is an Exedy lightweight flywheel. You got a small displacement motor that wants to rev high. I want all that RPM I can get. Lightweight flywheel, it's like 3 horsepower. Go get one.
We're out at FD Long Beach, and this is my 95 Toyota Supra that I drift in Formula Drift Pro 1. And if you guys wanted to pick a part on here that you could put on your street Supra, you should pick the Rad 160, which is my alternator that I sell. It'll bolt directly to your 2J right here. It's a self-exciting, high output 160 amp alternator. You could get one, do it. Later guys.
I'm driving the Nissan S200 SX S15, yes. And if I could recommend you something to actually put into your car, it's definitely those coilovers BC Racing. They are really ahead of the competition. Also those Falcon tires are the thing which gives me a grip, you know, when I need it. So I'm definitely happy about having such a set in my car, and definitely if you have an opportunity to test it, you have to do it.
What up everybody? I drive a 2013 Chevrolet Corvette C6. Pretty sweet, I love it. And a special little thing that all you guys can literally just go out and buy and put on your Corvette and have more fun than you would ever know what to do with is Part Shop Max Suspension. They offer something super simple, a bolt-on OEM knuckle. All you do, put the knuckles on, and I would recommend knuckles, handbrake, and shocks, and all this stuff is literally bolt-on to a C6 chassis. Once you're done with that, go out and enjoy. Plenty of fun, trust me. This is my E46 M3, and if you own a BMW, you can bolt on the same brakes that I'm running, the Sparta big brake kit, 6 piston calipers in the front, 4 piston calipers in the rear, stop on a dime. You know, we make these cars as fast as we possibly can, and even though we're blasting sideways, we need big brakes to stop these things, and these things don't overheat, and I know it's gonna be there when I hit the pedal.
Out here at FD Long Beach for Pro 1. Little style tip for all the 350Z owners. If you want a little aesthetic feature to your car, a little simple bolt-on. Get yourself some Kansai wheels. These are the Corsa model. They're really lightweight, strong, and wrap them with some nice Nexen Surfboard G's. You'll be styling.
I drive this E46 in Pro 1 Formula Drift, and if you want to get some carbon fiber parts for your car that bolt right onto that thing, hit up Save on Carbon Fiber. Best thing about carbon fiber parts is that they're super light, and everybody likes carbon fiber pieces. Not only do they look awesome, but it shaves weight off of your car. Less weight equals faster in my book.
One cool thing about this highly modified car is it actually has a lot of OEM off-the-shelf parts that you guys could actually purchase for your own vehicle. These steel 443s right here, 5-way adjustable, those are right off the shelf, straight onto this car. And that's something you guys could apply to your cars without having to do too much modification.